Hi friends, today we are dealing with the topic inventory control. What is inventory control, and what are the objectives of the inventory control, etc. and the equations used for to calculate economic order quantity, etc. in this chapter. Then what is inventory? Inventory is the quantity of goods, commodities or other economic resources that are stored or reserved at any given point of time for the purpose of smooth and efficient running of business affairs. Then there are two types of inventories, direct inventory and indirect inventory. Direct inventory includes raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods, and indirect inventories that are lubricants, greases, oil, petrol that are auxiliary to the direct inventory. And what is inventory control? Inventory control simply a planned approach of ascertaining when to order, how much to order and how much to stock so that cost involved in buying and storing are optimally minimum without interrupting production or affecting sales. In this inventory control problems, we have to reduce the cost at a minimum without interrupting the production or sales. And what are the objectives of inventory control? The main objectives are to minimize the financial investment in inventories, to ensure that the value of the material consumed is minimum, to maintain the timely records of the inventories, to ensure the timely action for the replenishment, to protect from pilferage, theft, waste, loss, damage, etc., to meet demand fluctuations, to provide a safeguard for the variations in delivery time of the raw materials, to allow flexibility in production scheduling. The main objective of the inventory control is to minimize the cost of production. Then what are the causes for maintaining inventory in a company? There are 6 points. Inventory helps in efficient and smooth running of business affairs. It provides services to the customers immediately or at a short notice. Maintaining inventory may earn price discounts because of bulk purchasing. Inventory acts as a buffer stock when raw materials are received late. Inventory reduces production cost and it helps in meeting fluctuations in demand. So these are the reasons for maintaining inventory in a company. Then what are the terms used in the inventory control? There are two major terms used in the inventory control, that is total inventory cost and economic order quantity. Then total inventory cost includes two types of cost, that is holding cost and setup cost or order cost. Holding cost that includes various costs, invested capital cost, administrative cost, handling cost, storage cost, depreciation cost, tax and insurance cost, and salvage cost. Then setup or order or acquisition cost, that means the fixed cost incurring while ordering a certain quantity of goods at a given point of time. Then second one is economic order quantity. The economic order quantity which minimizes the total inventory cost. The ordering quantity which minimizes the total inventory cost is known as economic order quantity. Now there are two terms. First one is total inventory cost. Total inventory cost includes two types of cost, a holding cost and a setup cost, and next is economic order quantity. Then discussing about what are the notations used in the inventory control. The ordering quantity is taken as Q, optimal order quantity is EOQ, that is economic order quantity. Annual demand is taken as D, cost per unit or price per unit, that is C. Ordering cost per unit, that is CO, and inventory carrying charge, that is in percentage, that is taken as I, and the holding cost is taken as CH, that is equal to C into I. C is the cost per unit and I is the inventory carrying charge. Then we are discussing about what the equations used for inventory control. There are so much equations, so you should go through it. After that we take the illustrations and the problems. The average inventory, that is equal to Q by 2. The number of orders per year, that is N, that is equal to annual demand divided by quantity ordered, D divided by Q. Time interval between two orders, that is taken as T, that is equal to Q divided by D. Total annual ordering cost or setup cost, that is equal to D by Q into CO. CO is the ordering cost. Then total annual holding cost, that is equal to Q by 2, average inventory into CH, that is holding cost. Total annual inventory cost, that is TIC, that is equal to annual ordering cost plus annual holding cost, that is equal to D by Q into CO plus Q by 2 into CH. Then what are the inventory models used? There are two models are used for inventory control: deterministic model and probabilistic model. Deterministic model contains four types of cases. First case is EOQ model with infinite production rate with no shortages. Then second one is EOQ model with finite production rate with no shortages and a production rate that is greater than demand rate. And third case, that is EOQ model with shortages, demand rate is uniform and production rate is infinite. And fourth model is EOQ model with shortages, finite production rate and uniform demand, that is a production rate that is greater than demand rate. Then second method is probabilistic model. Then deterministic model, case 1 is discussing here, and that is EOQ model with a infinite production rate with no shortages. Case 1 equations are there. Economic order quantity, that is EOQ or Q star, that is equal to root of 2 DCO divided by CH. Already notations are studied above. And TIC star, TIC, that means total inventory cost or optimal inventory cost, that is equal to root of 2 DC C0 into CH, ZO into CH. Number of orders per year, N star, that is equal to D divided by EOQ. Time between two orders, that is T star, is equal to EOQ divided by D, and total annual cost will be TIC star plus C into D. Then case 2, EOQ model with a finite production rate with no shortages and a production rate that is greater than demand rate. In this case, there is a little bit changes in the equation. EOQ Q star, that is equal to root of 2D CO divided by CH into root of P divided by P minus D. That is P is equal to production rate and D is the demand rate. Both P and D mentioned in the problem. TIC star is equal to root of 2D CO into CH into root of P minus D divided by P. Then case 3, EOQ model with shortages, demand rate is uniform and the production rate is infinite. In this case, we consider the shortage rate also, that is known as shortage cost, that is known as CS. Then the EOQ or Q star, that is equal to root of 2D C0 ZO divided by CH into root of CH plus CS divided by CS. CS is the storage cost, CH is the holding cost. Then TIC is equal to root 2DCOCH into root of CS divided by CH plus CS. Optimal remaining unit, that is a shortage unit, that is equal to EOQ into CS divided by CH plus CS, and number of shortages, that is equal to EOQ minus S star, that is optimal remaining unit, that is equal to Q star minus S star. Then deterministic model, case 4, EOQ model with shortages, finite production rate and uniform demand. Production rate that is greater than demand rate, that is the combination of case 2 and 3. Then EOQ is equal to root of 2D CO divided by CH into P divided by P minus D into root of CH plus CS divided by CS. Then TIC star, that is equal to root of 2DCOCH into root of P minus D divided by P into root of CS divided by CH plus CS. Then second model is probabilistic model. Then probabilistic model is a stochastic model used for newspaper boy problems and Christmas tree problems. There are two types of cost we consider. Inventory carrying cost, that is taken as C1, and shortage cost, that is taken as C2, and demand is annual demand is taken as D, and the P of D, that is the probability for demand. Then sigma P of D, that is the sum of probabilities or cumulative probabilities. Then we have to calculate C2 divided by C1 plus C2, and it lies in between sigma P of D or cumulative probabilities. After that we consider the demand corresponding to this range is the answer for the inventory problem.